Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You open Google Maps and go straight to the area you need. Make sure location permission is allowed so the map centers on you. Use the search bar to jump to an address or long press a point on the map to drop a pin immediately. Once the pin appears, check the map layer, satellite versus default, so you can verify landmarks and accuracy. This gives you the first actionable location marker to work from and prepares you to refine it. Tap the pin card to reveal coordinates, full address, and place name. This is where you edit details. You can save to a list, add a label, or share via message. Choose Save when you want quick access later. To refine accuracy, drag the pin or zoom in and nudge it against a landmark. Make sure the coordinates match the building entrance if that matters. Once done, use the share option to copy the link or send it to a contact instantly. Finalize by saving the pin to a list or adding a label so you can call it up later, then start directions or share the link. If you want the pin on another device, use Send to Device or copy the link and paste it in an app. If something goes wrong, like inaccurate placement, redrop the pin carefully, clear app cache, and sign back in. If the map itself is wrong, report a problem from the pin menu so the map team can correct it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.